9, we got the Cherokee inside, and we'll do a 270 departure. So like check.
316, affirm contact, SoCal departure gate.
Contact SoCal 63, uniform.
So it'll be about a 5-second delay, single shift takeoff. Roger. Well, 4 should call on, 4 should call up. There he goes, we're all set.
Set up.
Here we go. Airspeed's alive. There's coming up, you see those poles coming down. Stops coming back. T's and P's are good. They're coming up on the line.
Coming back to 110 knots.
And our reference lines on the T-34 is aileron split to the rear canopy rear engine cowl latch, and then the horizontal leading edge of the horizontal stabilizer about mid-length on the little dorsal wedge there.
Let rubber, you can go to the slot.
Roger that. So right now we're just about perfect, I think.
Alex, do we want to fly for question or free stage?
221 Roger, free change group.
See you in a bit. We'll be there in 6 minutes. How's that speed, Banger?
Oh, we're fine.
I'm going to shake you out and go ahead and put you on tack line. Salute flight check.
Blue 3.
Blue 4. Yeah, I'm up on 18.3 as well.
free to follow me on the controls, Patrick.
Will do.
Just taking it all in.
Traffic is at my 1 o'clock helicopter, same altitude.
I got him, no factor. Problem with overcast days like this is our slope.
Dash 162, the south lake inbound order police call 3.5 miles southwest of the airport. Yes, you're on Andrew ground station.
Salute ground, salute lead, over. Flipper, over. We're cleared into the Bravo, guys. And we're on time for a 9:30 CO2.
How many external radios do you have?
I've just got one radio, but I can monitor standby, so that makes it kind of nice. That's not really good.
Tighten it up, get the diamond, and post all in. I'll bring it in about a foot. Stand by right turn.
Flight to Loop ground, how copy? Loop flight ground, how copy?
I got you, Eastwood readable approaching the bridge for a 930 CFP.
May need to flight right, isn't that funny how it works?
We'll be there in 1 minute 30 seconds.
Continue to hold, they're delayed.
Roger. Stand by left turn.
Never fails. Guess we'll just have to fly a little longer.
Yeah, move it up.
You're about to have to ship out.
Sometimes when we're really close, it overdrives the radio, so you may not be able to understand them. Roger.
And we're still in the hold.
Copy, continue to hold.
Roger. We're having about a minute of raise, just FYI.
Copy, 1 minute out, continue to hold.
Okay.
dizzy yet?
Say again?
I said, are you getting dizzy yet?
Doing good.
Blue flight, stand by.
Stand by.
Blue flight, push now, push now.
Pushing now. Stand by, smoke. You're about quarter ship out, Kent. Good job, nice recovery. Smoke on that. Stand by reversal.
That's going to be a left 180 here.
Roger. And Roper, go ahead and take Banger's left wing.
Mike's going to move out to our left. And then I'm going to shut my smoke off for the pull.
Roger that. On and left. Turn your smoke off. Stand by for the roll out. Stand by for the pull. Now. 3, 4 now.
3 pulling.
Coming right. Yeah.
Look over to the left now.
Now, rolling out. Beautiful. This side.
4 is eyes on.
Nicely flown, gentlemen, nicely flown. Thank you very much.
Beautiful. Alright, I'll see, bud. Banger call in.
I'm almost there. What's your airspeed?
110.
Banger's in.
Roger.
So now I'm just flying references off of 2 and 3.
Interesting. Salute flight check.
Roger.
2-3.
Blue 4.
Roger. left turn.
Roger.
Information, Juliet, still current 3006.
And dash 4 is moving out to left Bravo is flying.
Roger.
Alright, it's all yours, Patrick.
How's it goes?
Flat like a rental.
Alright, we're going 200 kilometers per hour, thereabouts.
Yeah, it's about 114 knots, thereabouts. Go ahead and put some power in and get back up alongside it. And right now I've got neutral trim. If you want any nose down, just let me know.
Alright, try to stay loose, stay loose.
Doing fine, doing fine.
Salute flight, push button 5. Gillespie Tower, Mentor 12281.
Mentor 12281, direct there.
Todd-3 with Juliet, Sweetwater inbound for the overhead.
Mentor 281, ready, report a 3 mile initial, right turn, 1,600, runway 27 north, the only traffic I have, 7 mile final on the GPS, and they haven't contacted me yet.
Okay, we'll report 3 mile initial for right turns, 1,600, 281 in place.
Wants us to tighten up, so let me have it back.
Vehicle controls.
Mike-3. Nice job. He wiggled his wings, or ailerons I should say, and that's a signal to tighten it up to parade.
November 5291 Echo, on F17. 5291 Echo, go ahead some traffic, 12 o'clock, 2 miles, helicopter 900 feet. Shouldn't be a factor. Wind 2204 at that short end circle.
Central approach, 91 Echo.
91 Echo, roger, report high rack, runway 27 left.
Report high rack, full runway 27 left, 91 Echo.
So 281, if you get squared up, please turn to initial at 3 mile, that's circle for 27 left.
Alright, 281, roger, copy all.
Thank you. Did you happen to have a base and tax report?
We have bases at 1,700 North.
Okay, Roger, thank you.
One port of the north inbound for landing to base, do it.
Ashton 1, West Tower, put them on north.
Put them on north, Ashton. I'd like to come by and request touch and go as possible.
Yeah, 510 on Norco, Roger, IFR cancellation received. Squawk VFR, crosshair circle south, left down on runway 27 left, clear touch and go. Left coast traffic after.
Alright, we'll cross the barrels at over 1400 and we'll be circling southeast for runway 27 left, making left close traffic now.
Metro 281, you can turn direct northbound 2 mile final.
2 mile final for 281.
SG1, can you give me 1 or 2 right 360s for flight of 4, want the overhead?
Yep, I'm looking all here, that's one.
Metro 281 traffic, 2 miles over the field, gonna orbit, helicopter 1,200 indicated, midfield break right, short approach approved, runway 27 right equivalent.
Okay, we're looking for the helicopter, and we're clear to land off the short approach 27 right for 281 in front.
That looks pretty cool. Sure does.
Correction. Astro 1, you can proceed back inbound. The flight of 4 is in the break. Cross the bell a little bit, 900. On the Astro base will be at your north, going 260 up here.
So traffic is safe, 900 to the base, thanks, that's wrong. And we got gear speed. Gears coming down. Roger. 3 poles, 3 green. 3 green in the back. Flaps. Flaps pull forward. We're landing on the right. Mike's landing on the Roger that.
Mentors are all going to the end.
2 on site, roger. That's the end, come take it.
That's the end, then go to ground 2. See you okay? Ground Mentor 12281 to fly to 4th Compass Rose for Skid Row.
Flaps are up.
Mentor 12281 to Oscar 1, taxi at Delta Bravo, cross 135.
Delta Bravo, cross 35 for 281 in flight.
Does it have like split flaps or something? Exactly, yep. Flip is a great lead, so it makes it really easy. That was cool and professional the whole time. Usually it's a little more relaxed than that. That was kind of a scramble to get started, but I'll give Gary some smoke here. Who's that? Gary Goebel, he's got a steerman over there. He used to have Citabria. I've walked by there a couple times, and I think I've seen that steerman tucked in there. Yeah, it used to be a friend of ours owned it, Dave Derby. He was an excellent instructor. I used to send anybody that wanted to learn to him, and then he was killed a few years back, and Gary and him were really close friends, so he left him the steerman. But he had 2 Citabrias he would instruct in. He was a really, really good instructor. That's tragic, his friend was lost. Yeah. Neat little formation taxi, I like it. Yeah. We'll single out in a second here to drop into the hangar row.
And the gentleman in 82 November right there, what was his name again?
That's Mike Reardon. He's got some planes in +1. You might see his name on some of them.
Okay. Kent's the one in the Air Force bird?
Exactly. That we're signaling out.